One of the most common questions that I receive in trading communities is the question that pwede ba talagang gawing only source of income or sole source of income ang trading? So the quick answer to that is yes, absolutely pwede. In fact, lots of big traders, take note big traders are doing well with trading alone as their sole source of income, But the thing is, yes, pwede, but you don't have to. You don't have to in the way that hindi lang naman trading ang pwede mong gawin sa buong araw. Tama? I mean, in my style of trading, I only consume around 30 minutes of my time in a day. After kung mag-trade in a day, ano pa yung gagawin ko next? Diba? So, would it be more productive for me to have another source of income aside from trading alone? Yun yung sinasabi ko na yes, you can, but you don't have to. Especially kung kaya mo pa namang magtrabaho, so you can make trading as your sideline, or if you have other business that you can do, that's the best thing that you should do. You need to have another source of income. So ganito kasi yan. Trading kasi, in my own perspective, trading is just like building a business. So you need to treat it that way. Just like you're putting up a business. Now, the good thing about trading lang is that it's unconventional. It's not the same with you putting up a restaurant or a hardware business or any traditional business. The only thing that you need to do in trading is really to master it. You only have yourself, your charge. Maybe you can get some mentors or pay some courses para matuto ka sa mga basics and advanced knowledge about trading, and then you can learn it by yourself actually. Though it takes time, but you can learn it by yourself. Ang point dito is, just like a common business, hindi ka kikita muna ng malaki sa business na yan unless lumago or lumaki na ang business, right? Of course, pag bata pa yung business or nangangapa ka pa, hindi mo pa talaga marirely yung source of income mo in that business alone. So perhaps, nagsisimula ka pala mag-business is you are still doing it as a sideline or a part-time. And along the way, you are building the business, you are expanding, you are increasing your consumer base until such time na nag-hire ka na ng mga tao and lumalaki na yung revenue mo or yung sales mo and yung profit mo. And it can already sustain consistently your monthly needs and wants. Alright? And it takes time, hindi yan nangyayari sa loob lang ng isang buwan or even a year. In fact, based on the data from DTI, lots of business don't even reach their first year anniversary. Correct? And usually, umaabot ng 1 to 2 years bago mag-break even or mabawi yung ginastos sa puhunan. So, hindi mo pa talaga may expect na talagang kikita na ang business in a matter of 1 to 2 years. So in trading, almost the same principle ang dapat nating isipin. Huwag nating madaliin because the more na we want to make big money in trading na ganun kabilis, the more din na nagiging mali yung approach natin sa pagtitrade. They are already trying to predict the market and masyado nang malaki yung nire-risk nila per trade para lang makuha yung gusto nilang kitain sa isang araw. And we all know na kapag malaki na yung nire-risk ng isang trader, doon na pumapasok yung mga emotions na nakakapagpasira ng diskarte ng isang trader na marami na siyang pagkakamali sa ginagawa niya sa pagte-trade. So again, just like any traditional business, yung revenue natin dito sa trading really depends on how big is our capital. It takes really money to make money in trading because you really cannot risk big in trading if you have a small capital. We all know that one of the processes or systems in trading is the application of the proper risk-reward management. So pag sinabi natin risk-reward management is you need to risk an amount just based on the total capital that you have. You cannot risk 50% of your capital in just a single trade. Big factors that can determine kung sapat na ba talaga yung kikitain mo sa trading to sustain your fixed expenses in a monthly basis. So number one is again your trading skills. You need to have proven consistent profitability in trading for at least 3 years. So kailangan meron kang naka-lay down na pwede mong makita visually na talagang profitable ka na for at least 3 years. If you have at least around 10%, that will be better because 10% is not really that small. It only depends on how much is your capital because 10% of 1,000 may be just small, just $100, but 10% of $100,000 is really significant. You can sustain your monthly needs and wants and as far as your bills are concerned. Okay, so you can actually calculate, depende yan sa kung magkano ang gastos mo in a monthly basis. So ang gagawin mo dyan is you have to grow your account bigger, no? Bago ka mag-decide to make trading as your sole source of income. So let's say around 100,000 or maybe around $200,000. So the key is kailangan mo siyang palaguin talaga. Kailangan malaki na siya. Na in such a way na kahit mag-risk ka ng malaki, hindi siya significant kasi it's only around 1 to 2% of your total capital or portfolio. So ganun ang dapat na pagtrato natin sa trading, ano? Hindi tayo basta-basta lang na gusto natin kumita ng malaki and in return we are doing lots of foolish things in the market like risking big para lang makompensate o gusto nating lumaki yung kita natin na hindi pa naman talaga kayang i-sustain ng ating overall account or capital. In my experience, capital is not really that problem anymore because the more na you are becoming profitable, there are lots of possible sources of capitals that you can do. Like for example, top angel investors or enroll in prop trading firms. So may mga brokers na nagpo-provide sa inyo ng seed capital na willing silang magpahiram sa iyo ng capital na for you to trade, no, not your own money but the money of the firm, and you will just be having a commission from your profits. But then again, bottom line is your trading skill because you won't be able to qualify as a prop firm manager if you don't have the skill because you will be rated or there will be a scorecard that you need to pass in order for them to qualify you to manage their fund because nga naman, this is like millions of capital and of course, kailangan makita nila na consistently profitable ka. Like in my case, I qualified for a prop firm, no? Na ang qualification ko ay umaabot po ng at least $200,000 na prop firm na pan na ini-entrust sa akin for me to trade on their behalf. You need to focus on your skills. So don't worry about a small capital first. Do your thing. Learn as much as possible and make trading as your sideline for now. But along the way, just like really building a business, huwag kayong magmadali. Don't rush things. Treat it like a long-term game plan for you to gain your freedom from your corporate life. Because I tell you, trading really gives you freedom. Because when you reach to a point that you already have a substantial capital and you're earning well on a monthly basis, then that's the time that you will be able to have time freedom of your own. You don't have a boss anymore. You don't clock in and clock out from work. You can do anything with your time, and most especially you can spend your time with your loved ones. By the way, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko and you want to learn more about our trading strategy, especially when it comes to trend following, price action trading, and long-term position trading, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please click the notification bell for you to be notified first whenever I have a new uploaded video. And if you are a newbie in trading, I have a new ebook that I just released which I will be giving for free. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and message me on our Facebook Messenger in this Facebook page. The link is on the comment section. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Thank you so much. This is Dale again of DK Capitals. See you.